Okay, in this video I'm going to cover some more of the basics, and we're going to learn about text and typing and formatting text and stuff like that. So we've got our 4 frames that we created in the last video. We're going to continue to work with them. The first thing I want to do is, right now my project is called Untitled. And if you've had any problems with files called Untitled in the past, you'll know that we really need to change this. If we call it Untitled, we can't really tell the difference between it and all the other files that are called Untitled. So what I do here is really simple. As soon as I know what I'm doing, I'm going to click up in the Untitled area, and I'm going to say tutorial video app, because that'll help me figure out what this file is. Okay, and then if you notice up here, the tab is named after that, the name change that I made. Okay, so text. Okay, so once again, I'm going to click on this guy, my home page. I'm going to start here. I'm going to hit Shift 2, sorry, and that's going to zoom to the selection. And now I'm going to do some typing. So I'm going to go up to the typing tool right here, text tool, and I can draw a box, right? Or I think, let's see, if I just double click, I can, maybe not. Yeah, I guess draw a box. Okay, so here we go. Here's the box, and here's the text. So we're going to start with, this is our marketing message. Okay, we can select the text, right? Now, if we look over to the right here, we've got a lot of context-specific settings, right? That's the word that we use for things that change, the parts of the interface that change based on what we're actually doing over here. So here is the font. Now, a word about fonts. So in a low-fidelity wireframe, we don't really want to do a lot of designing. So we're not going to use Irish Grover, which could be tempting because it's so awesome, or Italiano for the same reason. We want something really generic so that we can just see an overview of how this whole thing is going to work without having our client be like, I don't like the font, because at this stage, that's not what we're looking for. We're just looking for like kind of how it all works. So a good one I like for generic stuff is Roboto. Right? Very generic. No one's going to win any awards for designing this font, but it does its job. Okay, font size is here. One thing that's cool about Figma is if I click in the box here and I type the arrows, it will scale up the font sizes. Sorry. Okay, so let's see. Here is line height, right? So it's doing it automatically now, but I could. See, like 5. Okay, so that's a very short line height, but this is a good way to have the spacing that you want in between your lines of text. Okay, we have alignment here, boom, like that, right, left, center, and then these guys align with the top, right, aligns with the bottom of the text box. I think that would be more obvious if our text box was bigger. And so all that good stuff. And then like regular, bold, all the different styles of text is right there. And right now, I'll show you this. We don't want to change the color of a text in a low fidelity wireframe, but this is how we would do it. Right here, we move around our color picker, and that changes the color of the text, right? So we can have this be any color we want. Okay, I would like you to do what I just did. Type in "this is our marketing message" on your low fidelity wireframe, and we'll come back to the next. I'll see you in the next video.